Now, this is the Arroz Valenciana Filipino food. I make Arroz Valenciana, the Filipino food. Okay, and this is the chicken yellow soup, and this is the white rice. Okay, and this is the hummus. And see the chicken Valenciana. Yeah, this is the chicken Valenciana arroz. I'm making slow fire because after it's burning. It's good. It's burning Swaya. It's nice to eat. The burn, not too much burn. Oh, it's nice to eat this arroz Valenciana. Is my father favorite and my mom favorite and my brother, and also me. This is my favorite dishes, my favorite food, especially when uh, the day of the dead people. Yes, it's so very nice and so very tasty. Then now it's only little time to cover first, and little time cooking. Okay, now I make after I will eat when matching diet Coca-Cola. Okay, thank you very much this video.